In this video, I use ingredients to clean out my fridge and pantry by making a quick soup. This kimchi soup turned into this winter's favorite, and I made it by accident, but it turned out to be so good. For this recipe, please keep watching. Here are the ingredients for the kimchi soup. I have a potato, just a small handful of sausage links, some chicken bouillon, red pepper paste, red pepper flakes, a couple cloves of garlic, a cup of rice cakes, and a half to 1 cup of kimchi. Step 1, soak the rice cakes. After plating, I like to add a handful of scallions and top off the bowl. It gives it a nice fresh kick. If I have cilantro, I'll add that too. This is a really good soup to have, especially over the winter season. It has been my go-to because I always have these items in my pantry. The kimchi is really spicy. The red pepper paste and flakes make it spicy as well, so it's a very warming soup. And I can't believe how good this has turned out. The potatoes make it really hearty and comforting to eat. If you give this a try, let me know what you add to yours, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching.